Alright, everybody, listen, welcome back to the channel, fam. I do a quick video. Can I make it ready for God Texas right now? See me, right, so plan everything ready for God Texas right now. But here's a question I ask you, real quick. If I got Texas and I don't see Bailey, Katiga, Bumbucker, and Mario, whatever I'm on him, remember, I don't know this man from yard. I don't know this man from yonder. But when you put him on the list, him a big baller right now because Dan Bailey is not a part of the team, which I agree with. I agree with that completely. Him this the team, alright, fine. But here's what my question is. How the fuck come JFF call Bailey Katiga Mario, whatever I fuck him on him? What Coach Hal Grimson called Bailey Katiga Mario, what the fuck him on him? And this man decided to guard the 3 Lions under 21. As you see that team now, under Bumbucker 21. How? Who make the necessary precautions? Alright, I'm going to guarantee that Bailey Katiga Mario is going to be in the team. Who? Who call him? Who call him coach? Who call him agent? Who? Because if you have guarantees that he's going to be in the squad, come on, people. Make up your bumbucker mind, you know. But if I don't see that man from the squad when we got Texas today, watch me on the bumbucker.